Hey everyone, what's up? I'm back with another video, and today we are diving deep into something that's probably sitting on your countertop right now, or you're seriously thinking about getting one. Air fryers, but not just any air fryers. We're talking about the best non-toxic air fryers for 2025. Seriously, if you're even considering buying an air fryer, you absolutely have to watch this before you spend your hard-earned cash. We're going to break down what makes an air fryer truly non-toxic, and I've got 5 top picks that are genuinely worth checking out. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get into it. Number 1. First up, we have the Fritaire glass air fryer, and let me tell you, this one is a game changer if you're all about that glass life. You know, no weird chemical smells, no questionable coatings. This baby is pretty much all glass, which is awesome. The cooking chamber is borosilicate glass, and the only other material that touches your food is stainless steel, which is exactly what we want. It's super easy to clean too, because, well, it's glass. You can literally see your food cooking, which is kind of mesmerizing, not gonna lie. It's got a pretty generous capacity, usually around 5 liters, which is good for a small family. Now, for the price, you're looking at around $180 to $200 for this one. It's a bit of an investment compared to some of the cheaper ones out there, but honestly, for the peace of mind you get with the non-toxic materials, I think it's totally worth it. The main con, it can be a little bulky, and glass is, well, glass, so you've got to be careful not to drop it. But honestly, the healthy cooking aspect totally outweighs that for me. It's a solid 9 out of 10 in my book for health-conscious folks. Number 2, Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven. Next on our list is the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven. Now, this one is a bit of a beast, but in a good way. It's more of an air fryer oven combo, so it does a lot more than just air fry. You can bake, roast, rotisserie. Basically, it's like a mini oven that air fries super efficiently. When it comes to non-toxic aspects, it primarily uses stainless steel for the interior and racks, which is fantastic. The cooking baskets are usually stainless steel too, which is a major plus. You won't find those questionable non-stick coatings here. The dual zone feature is pretty cool because it lets you cook 2 different things at different temperatures simultaneously, which is a lifesaver for meal prepping or making a full dinner. It has a larger capacity, usually around 9 to 12 quarts, so it's great for bigger families or if you entertain a lot. Price-wise, the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 usually floats around $200 to $250. It's definitely on the higher end, but you're getting a multifunctional appliance that can practically replace several others in your kitchen. If you're looking for versatility and a mostly stainless steel interior, this is a strong contender. The only minor drawback is its size. It takes up a good amount of counter space, so keep that in mind if you have a smaller kitchen. Number 3, Salton XL Air Fryer. Moving on to number 3, we have the Salton XL Air Fryer. This one is a bit more straightforward than the Emeril, but still boasts some great non-toxic features. Salton has been making efforts to use better materials, and with their XL Air Fryer, you'll find a focus on stainless steel components where food makes contact. While the basket itself might be a non-stick coating, it's often PFOA/PFOS free and designed to be more durable and safer. Always check the exact model, but generally, Salton aims for safer non-stick options if not fully stainless. The XL in its name isn't just for show. It typically offers a generous capacity, often in the 8 to 10 quart range, making it suitable for larger families or batch cooking. And it's known for its powerful air frying capabilities, getting things super crispy and cooked evenly. In terms of price, the Salton XL Air Fryer usually falls in the mid-range, around $130 to $160. It's a good option if you want a larger capacity air fryer without breaking the bank, and you're comfortable with a PFOA/PFOS free non-stick basket, especially if the internal components are mostly stainless steel. It's a solid workhorse, but always double check the specific material details of the model you're looking at to ensure it aligns with your non-toxic preferences. Number 4, Café Couture Oven. Alright, coming in at number 4 is the Café Couture Oven. Now, this one is a bit different from the typical basket style air fryers. It's more of a countertop oven that incorporates air frying functionality, and let me tell you, it's gorgeous. If aesthetics matter to you, this one will fit right into a modern kitchen. From a non-toxic perspective, the interior is primarily stainless steel, and the racks and accessories are also high-quality stainless steel, which is exactly what we want to see. No weird coatings to worry about here. The Café Couture oven is pretty versatile. Beyond air frying, it can toast, bake, broil, and even warm. It's got a decent capacity for a countertop oven, enough to cook a small chicken or a decent batch of fries. It's also known for its smart features, often connecting to an app where you can find recipes and control it remotely. The price point for the Café Couture oven is definitely on the higher side, usually ranging from $300 to $400. This is an investment piece, but you're paying for the sleek design, premium build quality, smart features, and importantly, the non-toxic stainless steel interior. If you're looking for a stylish, multifunctional countertop oven with excellent air frying capabilities and a strong focus on healthy materials, this could be the one for you. Number 5. Breville the Smart Oven. Air Fryer Pro last, but certainly not least, we have the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This is another powerhouse that acts as a true countertop oven with amazing air frying capabilities. Breville is known for its quality, and this oven is no exception. For non-toxic materials, it boasts an interior made of non-stick coating that is PFOA free, and most of its racks, baskets, and accessories are stainless steel. They've definitely focused on making it as safe as possible while still offering that excellent non-stick performance for easy cleaning. This oven is incredibly versatile. It can air fry, roast, bake, slow cook, dehydrate, and even proof dough. It has a super large capacity, often able to fit a 14-pound turkey or 9 slices of toast, which is huge for a countertop appliance. The smart oven part comes from its Element IQ system, which intelligently directs power to where it's needed most for precise cooking. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is definitely a premium appliance, with prices typically ranging from $350 to $450. Yes, it's a big splurge, but you are getting a top-tier, multifunctional appliance that can handle almost anything you throw at it, all while prioritizing safer cooking materials. If you have the budget and want the absolute best in terms of versatility, capacity, and smart features with a focus on healthier materials, this is the one to beat. Alright, so there you have it guys, my top 5 non-toxic air fryer picks for 2025. I really hope this helped you understand what to look for and gave you some great options to consider. Remember, doing your research is key, and prioritizing those healthier materials like glass and stainless steel can make a big difference in your kitchen. Which one of these sounds best to you, or do you have a non-toxic air fryer you already love? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.